Hello YouTube, how you're going? Now in this session we're gonna learn about how to create a project. Here we're gonna into the new section Java project, and we're gonna type the project name, and we type as com dot company name dot project name. As we are doing this as a first project, we are mentioning it as first. And now within a package there will be a classes, and within the classes there will be objects. And now first we're gonna create class within the project. Class, we're gonna name it as first or man. I want to specify the class name as man. The class man is created within the src folder. Src means source within the project com dot company first. Okay, first of all you must understand what is a class. Class is here behavior. In my own words, it is a behavior. And object is a person with the behavior of the class. That means a class is having something behavior called run or walk or something. The object what we created for this class, have behavior called run, walk and something. Now let's say the object name is Ravi. Ravi is performing an action called run. Ravi is performing an action called walk. Ravi is performing an action called something. Now we are gonna write something void run. Void run, void walk, void something. Okay, now just we wanna print system dot out dot print and system dot out dot println is a function used to print onto the screen. What we're gonna display is the boy is running and walk. We're gonna display the boy is walking. Sysout is a shortcut to write system.out.println. After typing sysout, press Ctrl and spacebar, will automatically abbreviate it itself. Then later we write in it the boy is walking within the quotations, and we write sysout the boy is doing something. Now the man is the, in this class man, the man means our human beings can having functions, having methods called run. Human beings can run, human beings can walk, human beings can do something like that. And now we are gonna creating the main class. We can create by creating, right click on src and going to new class, and we're gonna name it main. This main we're gonna create a class, a object to the man class. Man is a human being, everyone is a human being, so we're gonna name that human being. We're gonna name that human being with here public static void main. In Java compiler don't know what is the main class if there is no public static void main. If there is no public static main, then what is the difference between man and this main? It doesn't know. So public static void main says this is the main class, and first it must load, and according to the statements in it must load the remaining classes. And in this class we're gonna create the name of the human being man. I gonna name it with Ravi, equal to new Ravi. So sorry, new man, class of the class is man, so we must name it as man. So we created a new class, new object to the class man. Man means like think it is a human being. Now we name human being with Ravi. Now we gonna call a property of Ravi. If Ravi is running, Ravi dot run. Now see what will be the output is. Run as the application, the boy is running. See here the code, the boy is running. Now if Ravi is doing something, Ravi dot something, the boy is doing something. See if Ravi is walking, now the boy is walking. If he is doing all the three at a time, the boy is running, the boy is doing something, the boy is walking. Okay, now we can create another object for the man class. That means we can name different names to different human beings. I am now creating a object with name called lion. For suppose think lion as a human being. Now we are creating a object called lion of class man, equal to new man. Now lion is walking. The boy is walking. Like that we can create a number of objects. We can create a number of objects. That means n number. That means we are naming for the human beings. Think this as human being, and the code written within methods or properties of that human being. Now we are naming the human being with the object name, and we are calling it as object. That means myself is an object to to the class human being. Understand? And now we're gonna print something. Void print something. For printing we need a class called scanner. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Scanner is a predefined class available in system.java.util.scanner. Here we are writing system.in means we are taking input from the system. Now it is saying into mode because there is no package. Now we are importing java.util.scanner. See here, java.util.scanner. So now the scanner class is loaded, and now we are creating a string called someone, and now we are assigning our input to the someone and printing that output. And we're gonna concatenate it. Now see what happens. We created Ravi dot print something. Print something is a method within Ravi. Now we are calling that within this. Now see the output. We are writing something. Say something. My name is Ravi. See, the output of the title is name. So to say, it only takes only one word. So it only takes one word. So the type is my name is so and so. So now we are writing dash compile Ravi. We are typing Ravi. My name is Ravi. It is Ravi. If you wanna give the name within the main class, then we can write within the parentheses the name Ravi. Now it shows there because we are not accepting here anything. Now we are not gonna accept something. That means the name Ravi object is passing something to the class man. So here within the print sum it is passing some string called something, someone. Getting something an error. We must pass it like a string. Okay, now we are gonna say we are passing a string called Ravi to the print dot something of Ravi. Ravi is an object of man. It means the behavior of Ravi. The behavior of Ravi is having print something. For this print something, he is assigning a value called Ravi, so that it comes to someone. Someone is now Ravi. Now within this behavior, what it says, to print my name is someone. The someone name is having Ravi, so it prints my name is Ravi. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please comment, like and share. Thank you.